Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to Cooking with Pouncy. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And if you like what you see, please subscribe and please share and let me know what you think. So anyway, what I've got here, guys, I've got some stuffed salmon, and that's going to be going into the oven. That's stuffed with crab meat stuffing. And then I'm going to do some roasted vegetables along with that crab meat. Now that's a commercial product I bought. Here's my vegetables here, and I've got kind of three different varieties here. I got some red peppers, I got some zucchini, and some yellow squash. Got them seasoned, and I've got some, believe it or not, some meat magic for seasoning on these vegetables. They turn out very, very well. So they're going to cook for about 12, maybe no longer than 15 minutes. This is about half done itself, and so now I'm going to coordinate the timing. So 12 minutes later, this whole thing should be done. All right, so guys, these are going in the oven at 400 degrees. And this is about half done already, as I indicated to you earlier. So 400 degrees later, the reason I stagger this now, guys, is that I don't want my vegetables certainly to cook. The fish was going to cook for about 22, 25 minutes. I only want these for 12 to 15. So the last portion of cooking with the fish, and I think you understand what I'm trying to say, is going to be the finishing of both of those products. Okay guys, here we go. It's been about another 12 minutes or so, and I think I'm ready to take my stuffed salmon out. As the heat blasts me in the face, it's looking really, really good. There's my salmon, and my vegetables, which is cooked about 12 minutes. It's been about 11 minutes. My peppers, my zucchini, my squash. Beautiful. They're all al dente. Just beautiful. While I'm taking these out, I'm going to turn my oven off, and I usually do this. I might have already told you this in another video. I'm going to put my plates, which are oven-proof, heat-proof, in the oven just to get that residual heat. Just to heat my plates, and I always do that. So, without just losing that heat. Again, these look really, really good. And we're going to be plating these up here shortly for supper. So I'll do a finished plate once I'm done, and I'll take another look at that. These are really, really good. Really, really good. Okay, and all I did, I put a little olive oil in the dish, and I did season them with some seafood seasoning that I've got. You could have done it just with salt and pepper, of course. But I put a little seafood seasoning on here. And again, I did this with the meat magic, and it puts in parts of incredible flavor to these vegetables. So these are al dente. I think 11 or 12 minutes cooking time, all right? Okay, guys, we're ready to plate this delicious, delectable dish up here. So I'm going to take this one. My plates are hot. Remember, I just put the plates in the oven so that they could get nice and hot. And it's just beautiful. And I'm going to add some vegetables to each one of these. And these, again, are al dente. They cooked about 11 minutes. And I think it makes for a very nice looking plate. Very, very nice looking plate. And that's kind of like all I'm going to do, with the exception of a lemon wedge, like right here. And that's what that plate's going to look like. Now, I might put something green on there. You can do what you want to do when you make your own. Some parsley or something like that, or whatever else you might want to put on it. But that's, again, a very attractive plate. And thank you once again for tuning into my channel, Cooking with Pouncy. If you like what you see, please let us know. And please share this video as well. We thank you so very, very much. And we're going to have dinner. We'll see you next time, guys.